What up guys, it's Juan, JB Reviews. Today, the Dyson V11 Torque Drive. Do you really need a cordless vacuum cleaner? Let's find out. Dyson's pretty much swapping over to cordless vacuum cleaners from this point forward. With the latest model, the V11 Torque Drive that came out earlier this year, there are two versions here in the US. You do get the Torque Drive model and you also get the Animal model. The difference between the two of those is mostly going to come down to an LCD panel found on the back, which is located right here, and you do get an additional accessory. Overall, the Torque Drive is going to be an excellent vacuum cleaner. It's lightweight for the most part. Obviously, you do get that LCD panel in the back. On the LCD panel, you do get a button, and if you do click on the button, it actually lets you shift between different modes. So you do get your eco mode, your medium or auto mode, along with your boost mode. So obviously with each mode you are going to get a different level of suction power, which is also going to affect the battery life on the vacuum cleaner. Speaking of battery, you are going to get approximately an hour of battery with this Torque Drive model. It handles fairly well on carpet, handles pretty well on hardwood as well, so any surfaces like that, it's going to be no issue. So along with the LCD panel on the back, you are going to get this HEPA filter right here. It's anti-allergen, so if you do have pets in the household, if you do have allergy problems in general, this filter for the most part is going to do an excellent job on keeping allergens to a minimum. It is also washable, so if you do end up noticing that it gets a bit on the dirty side, you can simply rinse it with some cold water, let it dry, pop it back in, twist, locks into place, and done. The battery is located on the back side right here. Below the battery, you'll actually find the charging port right there, so you can actually dock it on the wall mount or simply just connect it with the cable that comes included with the actual vacuum. You do get this small slider right here, which gives you a minus and a plus sign, so you can slide it left or right or keep it centered. Doing so will open up these small teeth right here, which is actually going to be good for picking up harder, bigger objects like cereal, for example. So an additional feature to take into account with the LCD on the back of the Torque Drive model is that it does give you reminders and updates on when you should take out the air filter if you have not done so recently. It also gives you an ETA on how much time you have remaining for vacuuming. It matches the full suction power of a cordless vacuum cleaner with a cordless, but each model does get better. And again, Dyson has moved away from corded vacuum cleaners from this point on, so they're going to be focusing on making their new models more efficient with battery, giving it more power, more suction power overall as well. The V11 is an improvement over the V10 model that came out last year. It does give you approximately 20% more suction power and does hold true to that 1 hour mark when vacuuming. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comment, leave those down below in the comment section. Also, let me know, will you be switching to any cordless vacuum cleaners here in the near future? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.